Hello everyone. If ChatGPT isn't responding or stuck loading, here are quick fixes that usually solve the problem. First, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable internet connection can prevent ChatGPT from responding. Next, switch your connection from Wi-Fi to mobile data. If you are using mobile data, switch it to Wi-Fi. Then open ChatGPT again and check if it's working. If that doesn't work, check for updates. Open App Store, search ChatGPT, and install if any updates are available. If it's still not working, you can go to your mobile settings, go to General, then go to iPhone storage, search ChatGPT. Now you can offload app. Usually this gets the app working. Finally, restart your phone. Once it turns back on, open ChatGPT and check if the problem has been solved. That's it. One of these solutions should get ChatGPT working again.